Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I'm posting a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the continuous support. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I wax under my arms and also the waxing kit that I will be using. The waxing kit is from a company from Amazon called Tress Wellness. It comes with everything that you may possibly need to do a self-home waxing. So again, like I said, I will be doing just under my arms. I have let my hair grow enough so I will be able to show you how it looks after I pull the hair out of the roots. So I will be showing you everything that comes in a waxing kit. So first I will be doing like an unboxing and showing you everything that comes in the kit. Then I will proceed to wax under my arms and show you my whole process and what I do. I do want to say that this waxing kit is sponsored by Tress Wellness. So thanks again for the sponsorship. I will say that this company and this waxing kit came right on time because I was actually in the process of looking for a new kit because the one I've been having for over 6 years, and it was time for a new one, and it was time to try some new, products. Kit, the warmer, and waxing beads and the wax itself. So again, if you would like to see how I wax under my arm and my process, stay tuned to the end of the video. Okay, here is the complete waxing kit, and it came in this beautiful purple colorful box. So right here we have all the wax beads that you see on top. There's so many different scents that you can use. The after wax spray, the spray on when you're done waxing, and it have a coconut scent. Here is the pre-wax spray that you spray on before you start the process. Also, different size popsicle sticks to be able to apply the wax. And here is the paper rings to go around the wax warmer. So like if you drop any of the wax, it'll, catch it.
Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave.
Here is also the instruction manual.
You never tell me when.
And all the wax that it comes with.
You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream.
So I use alcohol just to clean the area. Alcohol and a little cotton ball.
Floating downstream.
I will be using the pre-wax spray.
Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me with.
Okay, so now I'm just testing out the wax. It's a good consistency. And when you pick up the wax, you want to start turning this popsicle stick, because if not, if you just let it sit still, the wax is just gonna fall back down. Okay, so you don't want to do the layer too thin. And as you're pulling, you want to hold your arm to be able to pull the wax, to get a good yank on the wax. So you don't want to put it too thin, then this will happen. Even though this is my wax, I don't double dip. I use the other end of the stick. Now I'm going to take the after spray and cotton ball to try to get some of the residue off, and then of course just the spray after. Okay, so here is my finished underarm. Okay, so I am now finished with waxing both of my arms, underarms. It is so smooth. And I love the after spray. You can tell and feel that it has some oil inside. And like I said, it's coconut scent. Okay, so I am finished with waxing under both of my arms. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly hope it was helpful to most, if not all. That's okay. You never know until you try, so why not? I would say this is a wonderful kit to get. It have everything that you need inside. And again, thank you Tress Wellness for sponsoring this video. If you guys would like to try this product, I will be putting the link in my description below. So yeah, try it. Like I said, they have everything you need in the box, in the kit, so go for it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.